Print in one line dynamically. I would like to make several statements that give standard output without seeing new lines in between statements. Specifically, suppose I have the result is. How get this to instead look like? Even better, is it possible to print the single number over the last number, so only one number is on the screen at a time?
Change print item to print item in Python 2.7, print item and equals in Python 3. If you want to print the data dynamically, use following syntax. Print item, sep equals comma and equals, flush equals true, in Python 3.
By the way, how to refresh it every time so it print me in one place, just change the number. In general, the way to do that is with terminal control codes. This is a particularly simple case, for which you only need one special character, U+000D carriage return, which is written \r in Python, and many other languages. Here's a complete example based on your code. Some things about this that may be surprising. The \r goes at the beginning of the string so that, while the program is running, the cursor will always be after the number. This isn't just cosmetic, some terminal emulators get very confused if you do it the other way around. If you don't include the last line, then after the program terminates, your shell will print its prompt on top of the number. The stout.flush is necessary on some systems, or you won't get any output. Other systems may not require it, but it doesn't do any harm. If you find that this doesn't work, the first thing you should suspect is that your terminal emulator is buggy. The ftist program can help you test it. You could replace the stout.write with a print statement, but I prefer not to mix print with direct use of file objects.
Use print item to make the print statement emit the new line. In Python 3, it's print item and equals. If you want every number to display in the same place, use for example, Python 2.7. In Python 3, it's a bit more complicated. Here you need to flush this .stout or it won't print anything until after the loop has finished.
Like the other examples, I use a similar approach, but instead of spending time calculating out the last output length, etc., I simply use ANSI code escapes to move back to the beginning of the line and then clear that entire line before printing my current status output. To use in your iteration loop, you would just call something like see more here.